St. Patrick's Day cotton candy sky. March 17th, 2021, St. Patrick's Day. Wow, gorgeous. Saturday morning breakfast. So we got a new crock pot. So I just wanted to share with you what I'm cooking in there. We've got some turkey and potatoes and carrots. There you go. For supper tonight. Ooh, it's getting steamy in here. There you go. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight. The turkey with mashed potatoes, some carrots, and fried mushrooms with a little bit of turkey gravy. Good. So that's how it turned out. Yum. Ordered out at Captain George. This is halibut. You get onion rings and shrimp. This will be mine. It comes with fries as well. And then you also get a salad, but we upgraded it to a Caesar salad. And there's the fries. As you know, I put some on my plate. So that is our lunch. Looks yummy. We've eaten there before. The fish is usually really good. Mmm. So here's what we're having for breakfast. French toast with bacon. Good.